Hi, I'm Bryan Cheong from Bixzee. In today's tutorial video, I'll talk about product and also product packing. Let's go to Bixzee B2B seller portal. Go down, click on the product, and you can see the product and also product packing. We'll start with product. When you click at product, you see the full list of all the products that you created before. If you want to search for one of the product, you can make use of the type, the SKU number, the name, brand, and so on. For example, let's say you want to search something with a description of 70 GSM, then press enter, then you'll find it. Anything that come with this description will come up. To edit a product, simply click at it and click edit. Or you can even clone this product to become a new product. Let's create a new product by clicking on the create new. The first thing that you need to do is you need to choose between whether it's a goods or service. Let's say I choose it is a goods, and you can upload the image of that product. You click on it, browse for the file. Let's say I upload this pen. You can zoom in or zoom out. Okay, so just to make sure, the image that the system will take is within the blue color square. So it will take this whole pen. Save it. So you can upload up to maximum 10 images for one product. And if your product image file is too big, we'll help you to shrink it to 500 KB. Give it a name. Let's say the name I'll put black pen, and this in piece. So we can put in the description. Okay, so this is the SKU number or item number. You can put in a model, let's say Parker. So over here is the category and the brands. Temporarily, you need to select it manually, and later on we'll update this part to be user definable. For the time being, just simply click on any of the category, put a brand. Okay, there's few things that you need to take note. First thing is the text part. Okay, so if you're at different country, we'll put in the text accordingly. Now in Malaysia, there is a GST, so you need to select whether it's standard rate or zero rate. Then you need to put in the weight in kg. Let's say this is 0.5 example. Okay, so you need to put in is the unit price. We'll talk about variance later. So unit price, maybe we'll put unit price, maybe we'll put 10 ringgit. So whether it is include the tax or not, so it is inclusive, then you can on it, else you just leave it alone. So active is whether you allow user to choose this pen. So at the bottom, at this at one setting, when it's out of stock, what is the message that you want it to be prompt? So if you still remember, in the previous section we talked about stock status. So now you have another one, is called please purchase within 14 days, or you can just choose the out of stock. You want to block if insufficient quantity, enable stock low level alert. So what is the low level quantity? Let's say when it dropped to 5, then you want the system to prompt you. And let's say now you just create the pen and you only want it to be available maybe next month. You can put in the date. You can put in the cost as a reference only. Maybe the cost is 5. Sorting order is not important because you can use different field to choose one product. Another part is important if you would like to do the logistic part. So you need to put in the length, the width, the height. If not, then you can just leave it. There is another part that is important. If you have multi-catalog, when you click on the price, then you can see that by default is 10 ringgit, but for others catalog is empty. So if you want this pen to appear under others catalog, then you need to put in the pricing also. Let's say you do not want it to appear under VIP customer catalog, so you just leave it, so it will be empty and it will not appear over there. So links is not that important. It is for future use because later on we want to use it for our B2C shop that allow you to do a purchase with purchase item promo. You can just leave it at the moment, then you can just save it. By doing this, you already created a new item called black pen. For black pen, I want to clone it as another product. What you need to do, click on it, clone as new item. So it will upload the image and some basic information. But this round, I want to put it as box. Okay. Here also I want to put it as box. It's called black pen, but in box. Okay. I can leave all these things. Okay, no tax. What is the unit price? Maybe it's 100 ringgit per box. Okay, so I just save it. Okay, now I have one black pen in piece, one black pen in box. Do remember, just now what I did is actually just put it as label. There is no actual unit of measurement. Okay, this is just a label. The actual unit of measurement is done under product packing. So we click on it. You can create a new one called black pen. Then you can add the product for the black pen. Okay, these two. Click on add item. This is important, so click on it. The unit of measurement for piece, you just put in piece. Box, you just put in box maybe. Now, this is the packing ratio. For example, the packing ratio for piece is 1, and for one box, there will be 10 pieces. So this is what we call multiple unit of measurement. By doing this, you are actually creating a relationship between the piece and the box. If you are done, then just click on the Save button. So now you have created the product packing. It will be useful later when we do the stock part. There's one important function in the product segment. It's called variant. Let's create a new item. Okay, a new product. So also it's a goods, but this round is actually a t-shirt. Choose the file. I create the t-shirt. So you can see the t-shirt is just too big, so I zoom it. It will be within the blue color box. So I save it. It will look like this. So you can add on more image if you want to. Just put the name of t-shirt. Okay. Put a description. Put in an SKU. No model. It's men clothing. Okay. T-shirt. Long sleeve t-shirt. The price, let's say, is 50. This is the part that is important. Is called whether this product has variants or not. For example, what is variants? If I click on this, then you are able to create group. Okay, variants group. Maybe the first thing is called size. The first group is called size, and you have the options of maybe it's S size. You can plus M size and L large size. beside of the size, you have color. Add another group, it's called color. So you have black. Maybe you have green, or maybe you have red. Okay, you have these three color. When you created this variance, you can see that the system actually help you to create the combination of different variants. For the t-shirt, you can see it automatically help you to combine the two variants, S with black, with green, with red, and with black, with green, with red, and also same for the L size. So if you remember, I have told you that if the unit price is empty, meaning that this product will not appear under the catalog. So what you need to do is very simple, just click on the unit price. Let's say you put in 50 and you click on the tick. Okay, system will ask you confirm change all variant item with this price. When you click on the change price, it will actually help you to create the unit price for the same catalog for different variants. You can see under the default catalog, it will have all the pricing automatically. So you can do this for catalog B. Maybe for catalog B, it's actually it's much more expensive. Let's say it's 60. Okay, so it help you to change the. So of course you can go to that particular catalog for that particular combinations and change the pricing as well. Okay, so this is how you create the variants. Sometimes some people will call it as matrix, that means the combination. But in Bixzee, the matrix or this variance, we can create unlimited combinations of variants. As you can see, you can keep on having other option or even other variant group. So if you are satisfied with it, then just click on the save button. And you can see that the system actually help you to create all the combination. That's all for today. Once again, thank you for watching. I'm Bryan from Bixzee.